Hey guys, Brandon López with GMA and GMA3. What you need to know, live from the red carpet. It's actually beige this year, if you didn't know. But giving you guys an exclusive behind the scenes look at what's happening right now as we prepare for the 95th annual Oscars. So the celebrities are going to be making their way down the red carpet, and this is going to be their backdrop. But when you turn over here, these are the risers where all of the photographers are going to be standing. Once you make that turn down that red carpet, you're going to come down this walkway, and this is going to lead you to the staircase that leads you up inside to the Dolby Theater. Another interesting thing to note this year is that the red carpet is actually not red this year. It's beige or champagne. It has a couple different names. What are your thoughts? Do we like it? Do we miss the red? Vote below. And here we are right through those doors. That's where the 95th annual Oscars will take place this Sunday. Guys, we've got you covered everywhere on ABC, ABC News Live, GMA, GMA3, GoodMorningAmerica.com, ABCNews.com. Stick around. We've got you covered all weekend long, and I've got you covered right here on social all weekend long. See you then.